Hello neighbors, today we're gonna do 어묵볶음. That's spicy stir-fried fish cake. And this is like the perfect banchan. Allow me to show you the exact ingredients to use and just turn this regular fish cake into a delicious banchan that will probably remind you of like dosiraks from Korea or perhaps your mom's banchan when you were younger. Alright, in the refrigerator section of a Korean mart, you're gonna find this Korean fish cakes. This one is from Busan. Fish cake, it's very cheap, very economical, and very tasty. So this one, we have we have 6 sheets. Get the one that comes in a rectangle shape, and then I like to cut them into thin rectangles. And then straight down the line. Nice. Fish cake, when it's packed, it has a little bit of oil on it. You see on my hand. So what I like to do I like to quickly blanch it in hot water, and then just give it a little shake or two, and it removes all of that. And right before we do that, we're gonna cut up half an onion. This we're gonna stir fry with the omuk, and it just releases a nice sweetness. So don't skip the onions, it's a must with our odeng. Then let's get a pot of water up to boil. Let's get the grease off these guys' foreheads. Nice. Just move it around about 10 seconds, and it should be good. That's good. You see all the oil that's been removed? Alright, put this on a medium heat. A little bit of oil, maybe a little bit more. Yeah. Let's add in our onions and then our omuk. Stir fry that up. We're going to stir fry this until the onions start to turn translucent. Alright, the onions are starting to turn translucent. Very nice. We're going to add in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's 1 and 3. Very good. Stir fry it up. Move it around. That's the first layer of flavor. Then the second layer of flavor, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. That's 1, that's 2. Give it a nice stir. You see the flavors coming together? Then I want you to reduce this to a low heat. The odeng is pretty much done cooking. Then we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of gochugaru. Look at that nice bright red. Woo! Along with 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix it together. Alright, just look at that. Those who like omuk, you guys know how good that tastes. We're going to finish off with a little bit of honey. You can also use oligodang syrup if you like, but in this case, honey works really well. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon's worth. Actually, given this amount, I'll do 1.5 tablespoons of honey. Half tablespoon more. Give it one final mix. And that is your spicy omuk banchan. Let's give this a quick taste. The ratio is just right. Yeah, this is another rice killer. Hit it with a little bit of sesame seeds. That's a lot of red. We'll break it up with a little bit of green onions. Mix it up.
Daniel, is the omuk ready?
Yes, Katie, your uncanny ability to time food. Katie, let's show them why it's a 밥도둑.
밥도둑, 밥을 주세요. Get some fresh rice, and then pick one omuk.
Oh, mukbang style. Show the contrast, background, foreground.
And then time to show off your chopstick skills.
Normally I do 2 rectangles.
What are you talking about? Time to taste.
It's good?
So good, but one mistake I made, I should have put 2.
That's right, you have to do 2 rectangles. There's not a 1 rectangle type of banchan.
You're right. More is better.
Why is my hair like a rectangle today? It's flat on top.
I think your hair is in mood with your food.
I don't know what that means. This is a classic banchan. It's not that spicy. That honey balances it, and it's not too sweet. We're all about the 중심. See you guys.
I'm gonna make a 계란말이 to go with this spicy taste of omuk now.
I think we're on the same page here. Wow, mama. Should we grab some sriracha?
Wow. We have to eat now.